Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to check used iPhone before buying. How to check if your iPhone is original or fake. For this purpose, you have to open setting and after that open general. Here you will see the option of about. You have to tap on it and after that you have to tap on model number. Here you will see it is starting with M, and if it is starting with M it means it's new, and if it is starting with the letter F it's mean it is refurbished, or and if it is started with the letter N it's mean it is replacement device and some part of this device is changed. After that, after checking this, you have to go in setting again, and in about you have to check serial number. Here is the serial number. Copy. By tapping on it you will see the option of copy it, and after that you go back and open Safari, and here you have to search check coverage.app, coverage.apple.com. Tap on it and after that new page will be open. You have to paste serial number that you have copied here just like that, and after that tap on submit, and after that all information will be open and you can find out your iPhone is original or fake. After checking this you have to go back, and now you have to swipe down just like that and tap too long on screen, and if you see true tone option here it's mean your iPhone is original, and if this is not it's mean your display is not original in iPhone. Here you can see display is not original because there is no option of true tone. After checking this you have to go back, and now you have to check battery health. For this purpose open setting, and here you will see the option of battery and open battery. Here is the option, next option, battery health and charging. Tap on it, and after that you will see 100%, maximum capacity is 100%. If it is 100% it means your battery is not original, and if you buy a new phone, brand new mobile phone, and it is 100 it's mean it's good. But if you buy used iPhone but still its battery capacity is 100% it's mean it's not original, it's a replacement device, replacement battery. And after checking this you have to go back, and now you have to check your mobile, either your mobile is PTA approved or not. For this purpose you have to open setting, and now again move in about, open general first, after that open about. Here you will see the option of EMI. Here is the option of IMEI. Tap on it and copy it. After that go to message. Here is message. Tap on it, and after that tap 8484, and after writing this tap and paste your message and send it. And if this message is delivered, and you will get a message back and all information about your mobile, either it is PTA approved or not, and you will get all information about your mobile before buying. And it is necessary to check your mobile before buying, either it is original or fake. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more quick videos. Bye bye.